Hey guys, in this video we want to go through our storage setup and the struggle that I'm sure most creators go through at one point or another. So stick around and maybe you'll find something useful that you can implement in your own setup. But first, let's go through a little bit about our background. Christy and I started off as photographers and slowly but surely have ventured into video production. We made a few videos and enjoyed it, so we pressed on to create our own YouTube channel to talk about our experiences with the equipment we use and share some tips and tricks we picked up along the way. More recently, we have moved to Singapore, which opened up the door to the Southeast Asia and all of its travel possibilities. Doing both photography and videography as a couple is very storage demanding, and it is a constant battle for storage. While we used to have multiple drives just like these dotted around the house to keep our archived footage, it is just not the best solution, especially when you need to refer back to some older footage that you've archived years ago. Going through individual drives to find out where it is just an absolute pain. Something needed to change. After numerous long nights of researching different NAS boxes, we have settled on building our own server using FreeNAS operating system. We went for this solution for a few reasons. I've always wanted a powerful server at home to do more than just storage. Ideally, include other tasks such as media manager and help with virtualization. FreeNAS also has a few unique features such as ability to find errors in data and self-correct them, or making snapshots which take up almost no storage, but you're able to recover accidentally deleted files. In our configuration, we have opted for RAID Z2, which is equivalent to RAID 6 in a more standard solution. This provides us with ample speed and also 2-drive redundancy. For those who are not aware of what RAID is, essentially when data is being written, it gets broken down to little chunks and spread across all drives in such a way that there is, let's just say, duplication. So should 2 drives fail, there is enough redundancy to carry on as if nothing has happened. The reason we have gone with 2-drive redundancy is because when one drive fails, the rebuilding process is very intensive on all the remaining drives. And since they are roughly the same age, it is very likely for another drive to fail and then we would lose all of our data. This comes with a penalty of 2 drives worth of capacity, which is yet another punch to the gut. Seagate has approached us to share our setup, and with their help, we're now upgrading our system with 5 Seagate IronWolf drives, which will be perfect fit for our NAS box. This upgrade will bring our total storage capacity to 26 usable terabytes. Why IronWolf drives though? Well, these are made specifically for NAS boxes, having many drives in very close proximity. No matter how good your NAS box is, this amount of always running drives will create little vibrations, which in time will break the drives. At the end of the day, it is a bunch of moving parts. IronWolf drives have rotational vibration sensors which reduce vibrations and protect our data. At the same time, they are optimized for the best RAID performance, which is something we require. Talk about performance. This upgrade has actually more than doubled our read and write speeds, which now helps immensely when we're both editing big projects. This alone improves our productivity and helps us deliver projects much faster. FreeNAS also does a lot of caching into memory, which further boosts the speeds, so we can expand our team without the need of upgrading the system. To scale storage further, all we need to do is add more drives. In this particular case, we just need to purchase another enclosure and connect them up. With the upgrade complete, we can now forget about storage running low alerts until end of 2020. And it's a good thing because we've got a whole stack of projects lined up. I hope this was insightful. If you have any questions, send us a message in the comment section below. As always, don't forget to smash that thumbs up, subscribe to show your support, and we'll see you in the next one.